Welcome to this video on the meaning of density and how to calculate it. What is density? Density is defined as the mass per unit volume of a material. Objects that are less dense have fewer particles in the same space. So the object's mass is lower, and the space between the particles is greater. Objects that are more dense have more particles in the same space, so are heavier, with particles much closer together. Which equation is used to calculate density? Once you have the correct mass and volume of an object, then its density can be calculated using the equation density equals mass divided by volume. The standard units of density have mass in kilograms and volume in meters cubed. So the units of density are kilograms per meters cubed. The Greek symbol ρ is used to represent density and should not be confused with the letter P for pressure or momentum. How can we calculate the volume of regular shaped objects? We can name a regularly shaped object such as a cube, a cylinder, or a sphere. You will be familiar with these equations from your maths course. Let's have a look at an easy level worked exam question. A rectangular block has a volume of 24 meters cubed and a mass of 2.4 kilograms. Calculate the density of the block in kilograms per meters cubed. This question is worth 3 marks. The first mark is for identifying the correct equation for density. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. 1 mark. Substitute into the equation. Density equals mass, which is 2.4, divided by volume, which is 24. This is for the second mark. Then use your calculator to find the density of the block. The final answer is 0.1 kilograms per meters cubed. This is a more difficult worked exam question. A cylindrical can of diameter 0.15 meters contains water filled to a height of 0.35 meters. The water has a density of 1,030 kilograms per meters cubed. Calculate the mass of the water in the can. This question is worth 3 marks. For the first mark, calculate the volume of water. The water is contained in a cylinder, where the volume equals pi times the radius squared times the height. This equals pi times the diameter, which is 0.15 divided by 2 all squared, times the height of the water, 0.35. This gives 6.19 times 10 to the power of minus 3 meters cubed, for 1 mark. You may want to use the formula triangle for the density equation to calculate the mass of the water. Mass is equal to density times volume. This equals 1,030 times 6.19 times 10 to the power of minus 3 for the second mark. So the mass equals 6.38 kilograms for the third mark. In summary, density is defined as the mass per unit volume of a substance. Objects with particles that are spaced out are less dense. Particles that are close together form an object that is more dense. Density can be calculated using the equation density is equal to mass divided by volume. The volume of regularly shaped objects can be calculated using known mathematical formulae. Don't forget to check out all our other fantastic revision resources here at Save My Exams.